Oh, they're goers.
Good fish.
Yeah. I might stand up. Get a bit of height on him.
Just take your time, mate. There's a goer.
They've got some go in them, haven't they?
Yeah. Don't go too hard on him.
Beautiful big fish. So Paul is going to cook up something wonderful with this fella. Hopefully. No pressure there, Paul. No pressure.
I'll try my best, mate. I'll try my best. Oh. That's my first carp in Well, we're doing our job for the environment at the moment, Scott.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. A bit more bread.
Hey, he's a big fish. Oh, look at him go! Woo! Look at that thing! Oh, he's dragging the canoe round. It's a big fish.
You can see me ended up in the water here. That's better.
Yeah, she's going off, mate. This is great fishing. Unbelievable. Who would have thought carp fishing would have been this much fun? Mate, he must be a monster, this thing.
I haven't seen him yet.
Yeah, I haven't seen him. He's got plenty of go in him. There he is. I'm getting that excited. I've got an oar in one hand. I'll just hit him on the head when he comes up, should I?
And then
Oh, look at this fella. Mate, he's a monster. Want a little bit of stale bread.
look at that one.
There's another scourge that we've gotten rid of. Wow.
Hey?
Yeah. So the first thing we need to do before we even think about smoking this fish is basically to brine the fish. So I've got a handful of salt and a handful of sugar. And I've thrown it in with some water. And I've marinated it for about, I don't know, 6 hours. Okay? Next thing we need to do is dry the fish. Basically, just let it drip dry. Now I've pre-oiled these bars, and what I'm going to do is lay the fish across the bars. It makes it a little bit easier. We've left the skin on to release the fish after it's been smoked. Okay, how I know I'm ready to start smoking is a little hole in the smoker at the top here, and you can see the smoke's starting to come all the way through here. So she's ready to go. So what we're going to do is just close that hole, like so. And I'm going to grab a tea towel because everything's starting to get quite hot now. So we're going to take this off. You should have build up a little bit of smoke starting to happen. Okay? Just have a look around. It's starting to smoke a little bit. So in we go with our carp. And that's our bottom layer just there. And then we've got our top layer. These smokers are absolutely fantastic. They're all purpose built. I'm just going to click that guy in there. Okay, now we've got to put our lid on here. The coals are burning away absolutely perfect. And we're going to give that, approximately maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Basically, once the flesh of the carp starts to fall away from the bone, we know it's ready. I'm going to probably about halfway through, I'm going to throw a little bit of this red wine on here, otherwise Scott gets a bit upset if I don't use the red wine. So I'm going to toss that over the top of the carp and I'll just give it a little bit of flavour and also stop it from drying out. Okay, hey, the proof's in the pudding. Let's see how good my smoked carp really tastes. Alright Scotty, you ready for this?
Oh, I'm ready to test it, yeah.
It's looking pretty good.
I think it looks good.
And I'll tell you right now, it's as good as smoked salmon. Because you know why?
As good as smoked salmon, you reckon?
I reckon it is. You know why? Because it's an oily fish, okay? And there we go. It's all falling apart. It's an oily fish. Okay, we put a bit of salt in there. Just because it's a river fish. You need to put a little bit of flavour into it. Let's have a taste. Tell me what you think. And be honest to the viewers up there. Let's be honest. It's falling apart.
It is falling apart. Seriously, really good. Now carp is a rubbish fish in the rivers. But I tell you what, do it in a smoker and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is really, really good.
There you go, guys. Carp. Start smoking it and start enjoying
Look
it.
at that, beautiful.